So here's how you can make a 1v1 edit on Capcut. First, you want to open a new project and then find the two characters that you want to 1v1 them with. And then now you want to basically, at the bottom, you want to find a ratio, turn that to 16 and 9, which is a TikTok one. And then for the first person, you can basically zoom out a little bit, put him at the top just like that. And notice how his head is not in the frame and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on edit, crop, and then I'm going to just crop the bottom. Alright, so now he's been cropped, we can basically fit him and make him a lot bigger. Okay, and then now for the David Lade one, we're going to basically click on overlay right over here, overlay that right under it, let's get rid of the ending, and then now basically just drag it until it's at the bottom, just like that. You can basically play around this and make it like fit 100%, so that looks pretty promising. And then now basically you can add the text right over here. Alright, and then what you can also do from here is go to audio, sounds, extract from device, find a random one. Alright, and then play around with the sound. And then simply, all you have to do is make the timing 3.4 seconds. And then right here, you want to add another text, say like strength, and now you can go into the competition. And also you want to make sure that the overlay is the same as the main video. Then now what you want to do, let's say that we want Alex Eubank to be the winner. So you want to click on the Alex Eubank one, and then you want to basically find the intercept where the two texts break. You want to click on that, click on split, and then now you want to click on copy at the bottom, right over here. And then now you want to click on strength, click on copy as well, put that right over here, and then you want to click on and then change the strength to the character's name, just like that. And then of course, for now, because Alex Eubank is a winner, you want to basically fit him to the full screen, just like that. So now this is what it looks like. David Lade versus Alex Eubank, strength, Alex Eubank. And of course the music will be playing in the background to make it sound a lot better.